Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add Tron network on Metamask. For that you need to launch your Metamask app, and after that you just have to log in into your account. Then you need to select your network. For that you will have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and after that you will have to select the Ethereum main network. Now once it is selected successfully, you just have to scroll down and then tap on the option of import tokens. Now over here in the search bar you will have to type TRX, and then you will be able to see Tron or TRX. So you need to select it and then tap on the import button in the bottom. This way you will be able to see the prompt which says you have imported the TRX token successfully. So if you tap on Tron, now you can send, receive and even swap TRX on Metamask. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.